Jeff from Investment Mom on the couch today. Just watching the pre-market activity, and it's a quiet day. It's one of these quiet summer days on Wall Street. I got my eye on MARA and RIOT today. So they're looking like they could move. The Disney trade I made a couple of days ago, it's not doing good. It's not doing bad. It's in no man's land. So I'm going to give it another day or so. Hopefully get some type of move. Remember, my target price is 95 on that. It's way oversold after that whole Florida DeSantis debacle. I think Disney could get a pop. I'm not banking on it today. It's just a quiet summer day on Wall Street. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.